Did you know that one failed assassination attempt changed the course of Chinese history forever? In 227 BC, a man named Jin Kai walked into the palace of Qin Shi Huang, the future first emperor of China. He came as a fake messenger carrying two gifts, a map and the severed head of a traitor general. As Jin Kai slowly unrolled the map before the emperor, something deadly was hidden inside, a dagger sewn into the fabric, waiting for the perfect moment. Suddenly, Jin Kai grabbed the weapon and lunged at the emperor. What had happened next was chaos. The assassin chased Qin Shi Huang around the throne room, while terrified courtiers watched helplessly. Palace rules banned them from carrying weapons, so they couldn't help. The emperor's sword was too long to draw quickly. He stumbled and ran as Jin Kai pursued him with the blade. Finally, a quick-thinking doctor threw his medicine bag at the assassin, giving the emperor time to escape. This near-death experience changed everything. Qin Shi Huang became obsessed with living forever, eventually dying from mercury poisoning while searching for immortality.